LAES stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether CLSQ stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Just observing this, right? QSI, RGTI, KULR, and now LAES stock. It's just still the same exact way. Like, it's so similar. I'm just waiting for a 5 minute double shift in order for me to buy. Because just recently this thing has been putting in crazy numbers. And this is on purpose made like this. Like, look. These are just so similar charts. It's crazy. Even with LAES, I mean, here's a proof of me calling it out beforehand. And you can go ahead and check it out. Matter of fact, we're going to check it out together right now. Because why not? Boom, this is the before. This is the after right now. The aftermath. And the only thing that I'll do right here is just wait for the price to give me the rules on LAES right here in the 5 minute chart. If there's like a 5 minute double break, then and only then I'll take things up. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.